Alright, here we go. That is a doe down with a 45-70 shooting lever revolution. 100 yards. It's the furthest I've ever had one run. And he just did a straight shot and dropped. And it's actually like that. Yeah, that green tree. If you can see a little white dot right around in there, that's where it dropped. Right back there. Just ran and crashed. So here we go, Bohemian Hunting Club. More venison in the freezer. Boom. Bud Light. Yes, yes, yes.
Took this doe this evening at, I don't know what time. I have no idea. I shot it about 100 yards. And surprisingly, this is the one that ran the furthest I've ever had with shooting the 45-70. Which we went in. She don't have mange. It went in right here. So it was at the tip of the shoulder, the angle that she was, because I was trying not to gut shoot her. Went out right behind it, so she had a good shoulder on that side, so I wouldn't destroy the meat. So that's why she ran so far. Sounds good. Works for me. So here we go. Now we're gonna get in the cooler, drink some beer. Go Bulldogs, ducks.
Yeah.
Whatever.
You know, if you shoot bigger ones, you can shoot them in the neck. That's my 2 cents.
First, we gotta have bigger ones.
That's what she said.
Don't worry about those 2 smaller doe that were out there with her. That they're not related.
They're not doe. They were house cats walking around.
Dogs walking around.
I don't feel so bad about my pigs now.
Whatever. Not a bad doe for this county. It's kind of crazy that they're smaller out here. And we're hunting out in the wooded area.
Shit,
they're a lot bigger.
Like 3 times that size.
Yeah, well, you go 30 miles that way where we're hunting, and they're double this size out that way.
If they're in open land like this, they seem to be smaller.
And there's more of them. Like
Where's Scott Farm?
The population's more. That's why you can shoot more over here.